So hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. So this video is titled how to add shadows in Canva. So adding a shadow is just really simple. So we just can go one of your projects here. Say this. You can see that this is in a blank page. For example, this is your image. Just put this to white so that you can see the shadows easily. This is your image. Just press edit and go down to shadows. You can select any shadows here, the blur amount, the angle, you can adjust it, whether it's glow, outline, or the intensity of the shadow, you can also adjust it. As well as to the other pages, you can select whether it's glow, drop, outline, or any types of shadows. You can fix the rotations here, then the blur amount, the intensity of the shadow, how much you wanted it to be, so that your project should look more eye-catching by using eyeshadows to your elements or images. So that's how simple it is to add a shadow in Canva. So once again, thank you for watching and more tutorials to come. Peace out.